guys, let's open this pet simulator. Okay, let's open this. It's a lion. We could see what it is. Oh, some stickers. Let's see. I've bought two.
Ano yan?
What is this?
Ano yan?
It's a lion.
Okay.
And what is the other one?
Ay, pupunti yata ininom mo.
It's a snake. It's a snake. Oh my god. Okay, you're cute. Okay, bye guys. See you next time.